Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at how to add page numbers to a document. So to get started, I'm going to add some placeholder text here. So I'm going to go lorem, and I'm going to put in 200 paragraphs so I get a lot of pages. So that has given me 11 pages, which is perfect for this tutorial. So let's go just right up to the top for the start. Now let's imagine, and I'm just going to title page. Okay, so imagine that this is going to be my title page. Let's make it nice and big here so it kind of does look like a title page. Okay, this will come into play once we start the numbering. In order to add numbers to my document, I simply need to go to Insert, and then go over here to Page Numbers. Automatically, Word will give me a number of options where I'd like to place my numbers. Typical one here is the bottom of the page, and then you have a bunch of styles here you can choose from. I like this one down here. Okay, so my title page has a number on it, and maybe I don't want that. Maybe I want the numbering to start on page 2. Notice that as soon as we add page numbers to our document, this header and footer tab opens up. This is useful to us because we can get some formatting options right away. So we're going to go here, first of all, where it says page number, click the drop down, then we're going to go format page numbers. We're going to go then and click here where it says start at and change this one to 0. This will give the title page, page 0, and then it will make what is really the second page in the document, but the first page for our purposes, be called page 1. Now we still want this guy here to be removed, this 0 page. So all we need to do then is click where it says different first page, and voila, it's gone. So we have added page numbers and we've removed a page number from our title page. I hope you found that helpful, and please do go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you in the next one.